Welcome again to another video of my K, and today I'm going to show you a bit more how Freetown looks like, especially when it's about to rain and it's around the evening hours. This is exactly around 6 p.m. in the evening, but the place looks really dark, and I am standing right here at one of the most renowned areas called Congo Cross. This is around Water Street Junction. Yes, so as you can see, it's in the evening. A lot of vehicles are going back and forth. So I'm just going to show you a couple of places so that you see how it looks like when the days wrap up. And today is also a Friday. So you see a lot of vehicles moving to and fro. Yeah. So be patient with me because we're going to see some surprising things, because from here I'm going to walk you through up to, I'm going to show you Lodge, Kingharman Road, different areas, all right? But I just wanted to let you enjoy the view a bit. And the place is safe, very cloudy, beautiful. It's a beautiful scene. Yeah. And by the way, if you are a regular viewer of the channel My K, and maybe it's been a while since we have not been posting regularly, we are going to resume posting again. And this time around, the content is going to be a bit interesting, and yeah, so if you're being a regular viewer, we want to say thank you and for being patient and for staying there. Yes, so currently I'm heading towards the Congo Cross bridge. This is a bridge basically which it's almost impossible for anyone who stays in Freetown to not know what Congo Cross Bridge is, or when you mention it, for them to say, no, I don't know that bridge, you know? Yes, so let's see how this will look like. Right. Yes, so basically most of these vehicles that you're seeing right now, they are either coming from Lumley or they are coming from Aberdeen, and we are headed towards going to the business district center of Freetown. So we're very close to Congo Cross right now. As you can see from there, the building you're seeing there at the top there, that is Youyi Building. This is how you see it when you stand at Congo Cross looking beyond the bridge. I'm currently close to the bridge, by the way. And for me family, una we sabi Sierra Leone, I hope so una enjoy this video. And una enjoy, please una share, una like, una follow. Alright? So as you can see, from here you can see the beautiful view basically of how Freetown looks like. And this is really amazing. It's sometimes we miss this view. This area that I'm currently pointing, this is Tembe Town area. You go this way, basically this way. It takes you to Tembe Town, and then, but we are not going to Tembe Town actually. That's the direction this other man is going. This direction takes you to Tembe Town, because over there is Tembe Town. All right. But we are heading towards this other view, all right? We are heading towards the main street. We just want to enjoy how it looks like when it is Friday and people are going home and others are moving. And on this other side, just so I show you, this is the National Stadium. You can see it right from here. Yes. So you can see that is the National Stadium. You can see it because I am very close to the bridge right now. So from here you can see the National Stadium, and this is the bridge. The Congo Cross Bridge is this one. It's a very famous bridge, by the way. So I am right here at the bridge, as you can see. It's a beautiful scene, to be honest. You can't deny how beautiful this looks like. And one interesting thing is a lot of people are actually living under the bridge. Just like in any city where you have people living under the bridge. Yes, in Freetown also, it also happened. As you can see down there, you see these buildings. Sometimes when it rains, it becomes really dangerous living down there. You can see some people are sitting down there just right under the bridge there. It's quite interesting, you know. Yeah, look at that guy, is actually sleeping, you know. So basically, just like in any city, you see people living under the bridges. It's also like a common thing here in Sierra Leone. And you have these makeshift buildings that are not too strong. And the other thing that you would quickly notice is that you would see a lot of this building, because most of this land under the bridge is not actually sold to anyone. So people can just build there. It's also the same when you look at the other side of the bridge there. I can't quite get the view there, but let me raise that. Yeah. So let's continue. One thing about Freetown though is always this mountain view, the way houses are stacked on top of each other, just like Brazil. If you've seen Brazil, just like that, like it's a beautiful scene. And when you imagine what you see when you stand on top of, when you are on top of those structures, you are on top of those hills and looking down the city. It's a beautiful scene. Always. That's one of the beauties of Freetown as a city. So this area that we are looking at, especially for those of you who are familiar with Freetown, that is Town. This is how you see it right from the bridge here. And then at the top there, right at the top is Wilberforce Barracks. Right at the top. So you see building, like right at the top there will be Wilberforce Barracks. Yeah. So let's go. The weather is just super beautiful. So here you can see like a pole actually break. This is an electric pole. So one of these days, this pole actually break, like the cables were all over the ground. Right here at this place. At this Congo Cross, just after the bridge, the Congo Cross Bridge. So here you can now see we are approaching Youyi Building. This is Lodge. Youyi Building is right around Lodge, and today I'm going to show you a 360 view of this building around the compound. I'll go right around and show you how it looks like. For those of you, I would say in Sierra Leone, this is one of the biggest buildings in Sierra Leone, and most of the government ministries has their offices there. Most of the ministries are basically hosted in that building. Yeah, you might be wondering what's going on. Why are the traffic lights not working? I can't tell you either. You can clearly see that people are rushing to go home because the weather is not looking friendly. So we are just coming from this part. Yeah, so when you start here at this junction, you basically see it. This is how you see it. It's a bit chaotic, but also beautiful to see. So now I'm going to try to cross. And I'll be careful. Oh my God. These guys are crazy. I gotta run. So here, unless you have to force yourself to pass, people don't actually want to stop. So that is GT Bank. There is a branch here, and you can see this is a fuel station. This is an NP fuel station here. So let's go. We are now right here. This is the Youyi Building. You can see that's the fence. The Youyi Building. Let me raise. Why? So you can see inside the compound of Youyi Building, basically. Of course, I would have loved to get in there, but I will not be allowed to do so. So one of the tricky parts about trekking in Freetown is this these pools. So there are a lot of them here. You can see like this one. They are not covered. So if you don't take your time, obviously, you will find yourself inside one of those. It's so basically it's the uneasy part of making these videos.